Yeah, hello investors. Hope you all are doing great. And Q2 FY25 result season is going on, and some very interesting results have been coming. Uh, in this video, I will talk about two companies basically from lightweight jewelry sector. One is PNGS Gargi Fashion Jewelry, and second is Utsav CZ Gold. Now, why am I talking about these two companies on this particular sector? Because gold and jewelry sector पे मैं already video बना चुका हूँ, and I have covered most of the B2B and B2C jewelers. But these two companies belong to lightweight jewelry जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा growth चल रहा है आज के डेट में, because obviously gold and silver has become so expensive, and so people are now moving more toward lightweight jewelry because that becomes more affordable for them. That is point number one. Point number two, दोनों ही कंपनीज ने अभी रिसेंटली अपना H1 FY26 रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर किया है, एंड रिजल्ट्स हैव बीन फैबुलस. आई मीन फैंटास्टिक रिजल्ट्स बोथ ऑफ देम हैव डिलीवर्ड. सो पहले तो रिजल्ट्स की बात कर लेते, देन आई विल टॉक अबाउट देयर फ्यूचर एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स. सो PNGS गार्गी फैशन ज्वेलरी, या इसकी बात करते हैं तो उनका Q2 FY26 रिजल्ट हैज़ बीन extremely good. So the revenue grew by almost 100%. तो उनका revenue डबल हो गया है Q2 over Q2, and PAT has also doubled, in fact more than doubled. तो थोड़ा slight operating leverage उनको मिला है. PAT has grown by some 105%, and operating cash flow has been positive. So it's a good sign, and obviously a great result by PNGS Gargi. PNG's Gargi कंपनी के बारे में थोड़ा बात कर रहे थे. तो this is company listed I think 2 or 3 years back, and so they are getting into 9 carat, 14 carat lightweight jewelry. जिसमें the margin are definitely more, and there are a lot of tailwinds in this particular jewelry sector, because in this particular lightweight jewelry sector, because of the high gold prices. So, yes. So currently they have almost 103 stores across India, and they are also expanding their store count aggressively. So overall, and mostly they have franchisee operating store structure. So it's a asset light model. So again, it's a good sign. So PNG Gadgil is not only just 9 carat gold, they are also into diamond jewelry, and they have launched a new product line for quick commerce through Blinkit. They also sell their affordable jewelries, which they call Utsav range. So कंपनी का रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा है, 100% ग्रोथ है. डेफिनेटली इट्स अ गुड कंपनी टू ट्रैक. Another company which has delivered fabulous result is Utsav CZ Gold. Now Utsav is a micro cap, so because PNGS has a market cap of almost I think what is the market cap of PNGS? Yes, their market cap is 1200 crore, whereas Utsav CZ Gold is it's a micro cap, and they are currently available at a market cap of 600 crore. Now उत्सव का भी रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा है. उत्सव basically they are doing pretty well in, so their result has been fabulous. So in the Q2 result, today their con call happened basically. Yes, so but before con call, let's talk about the Q2 results or H1 result first. So their revenue grew by 67%, and their operating profit margin grew from 6% to 9%. So 50% का OPM भी grow है. PAT has grown by 187%. So almost triple हो गया है PAT over H1. So result has been tremendous, absolutely blockbuster result, even better than PNGS I would say. And coming to their con call which happened today, so इसमें what they have said, they want to grow their business. So currently last financial year they did a revenue of 650 crore in FY25. Now they are guiding for 4,000 to 5,000 crore of revenue in by FY30, which means in 5 years वो लोग अपने रेवेन्यू को ऑलमोस्ट 8 times ग्रो कर लेंगे. एंड इफ रेवेन्यू ग्रोज बाई 8%, यू कैन इमेजिन पैट ग्रोथ कितना होगा. So definitely new product acceptance has been good in the 9 carat jewelry. They have very strong capex plan also that they will plan, and soon they will be opening a show, another international expansion. They are opening their store, flagship store in Dubai also. This is again a very good sign. But हमको ये समझना है कि दुबई में कहाँ पे वो स्टोर खोलता है and what is कितना जल्दी वो पिवट होता है, कितना जल्दी वो ब्रेक इवन पे आता है. But definitely management looks very growth hungry, and this is a good company to track and study. बाकी this particular gold and jewelry and light jewelry sector has been facing or enjoying a lot of good tailwinds for last few years. और अच्छी companies में काफ़ी growth हुआ है. If I talk about Sky Gold also, जो I am holding, Sky Gold has seen tremendous growth in last 2-3 years. From I think they have guided for 7,600 crore revenue in next 2 to 3 years. They did some almost 5x of revenue in 3 to 4 years they have guided. Similarly, Utsav भी उसी तरह का guidance दे रहा है, and they can do also because the kind of growth they are seeing in this sector. And mind you, the kind of India's wedding season, the way it has been growing at a very healthy CAGR of 25%. I mean, last year the total 48 lakhs wedding happened in India. So that's a big TAM for these jewelry companies. So very good company to track, PNGS Gargil and Utsav CZ Gold. उत्सव मुझे रिजल्ट और मैनेजमेंट गाइडेंस और कॉन्फिडेंस ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा एज कम्पेयर टू PNGS. बट लेट्स सी हाउ दे डू इट. दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माई एंड. इसमें एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट मी टू ऐड, डेफिनेटली विल बी हैप्पी टू नो दैट. मैंने इसमें अभी ज़्यादा डिटेल में जाके इसमें अभी तक उसमें वीडियो नहीं बनाया. बेसिकली आई एम जस्ट टचिंग अपॉन देयर कॉन कॉल्स एंड Q2 नंबर्स, सो दैट यू गेट अ आइडिया कि इसमें भी आगे क्या ट्रैक करना है. ऑब्वियसली वी कैन स्टार्ट विद अ स्मॉल पोजीशन और ग्रेजुअली वी कैन बिल्ड अ लार्जर पोजीशन ऑल्सो. सो बट अगेन दिस इज जस्ट फॉर एजुकेशन पर्पज, नथिंग इज रिकमेंडेशन. थैंक यू.